fast. Oh, that is phase gun. You have two people, but the right. Oh, Jesus Christ. Which one is it? Oh, it's gonna rain right down on us.
That's cool. Rapid fire.
I see like 20 just light out.
Yeah, do like 2 cakes at once.
Boom. There goes one box out of 4. Probably took a bunch of.
How's our time screech?
21 minutes so far.
21.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. So please. Boom.
Wow.
Five. Boom. That whole box is full.
Heads up. 2 of them. The whole middle's empty. Now, you know.
How many do we have left?
There are tons. After those 3, go get a cake.
Plus cap.
Got that small? That's the one you wanted me to support, you know?
Wow.
I can put rain down. Switching colors and hit rain down. Another one.
Don't use it. Well, you do the back row and then move into the front.
Oh, faulty one.
Blown off the rim. Don't use it. It's okay. Are these all 4 big ones done?
One's gonna be faulty here.
That front one on the far left, there's something in there smoking, just, you know, I didn't go off.
Oh god. That was close.
Front row's empty. Wait. Start on the far side, back row. This one's still going, Jason. Yep. Did that front row one go yet? Gotta let me know. Go in the middle.
Do another.
Remember, this back one's done. Yeah, I know. I haven't touched that one. You rip it off? I haven't. Oh, you loaded it. Sorry.
Oh god. That's close. Good.
Dude, we got one around here.
That front bar one is dud.